Looking good. Self-attention networks learn text, as we saw in Module 3. Convolution networks learn images. And when we combine the two, we can generate images, all on our AI PC. There are, of course, many more details, many more techniques, but I believe you were able to taste how it feels. A few things to note. First one is the need for acceleration. Stable Diffusion and many other generative AI tasks require a lot of compute power. The exact compute power depends on many factors, but I would say that at least 10 to 20 tops, tera or trillion operations per second. The device memory and architecture, of course, will also matter. We've seen how OpenVINO can accelerate your AI workloads across multiple devices, but what if you want to run inference using PyTorch or TensorFlow and you do not need the full performance boost that OpenVINO offers? In that case, both TensorFlow and PyTorch, along with other frameworks, will work as is on Intel CPUs. However, to achieve acceleration on Intel GPUs, you'll need a small software layer called the Intel extension for PyTorch or for TensorFlow. You can see in the code that I'm using PyTorch, and I'm also using the Intel extension for PyTorch, what we call, in short, IPEX. The code will behave the same. When we are using Stable Diffusion pipeline, we can assign the full pipeline to run on the GPU, to XPU. Since it could be a CPU, GPU, NPU, we call it an XPU. By default, the pipeline will run on the GPU, the most suitable device for such a task. And here is my second note. There are tons of resources available if you're interested in Stable Diffusion or any other AI topic. Here is one. Search for OpenVINO notebooks. Any of these links should work. You can go directly to the notebook, or here you can ask for the latest trends to see the latest notebooks. You can look for the first steps to get started or any other keyword. Each of the notebooks is demonstrating a different capability. Just follow the installation and run them to learn or use them as a reference code. It's a great way to learn, and there are tons of them on many topics. We have generated text, we have generated images. Now, let's make some noise. I'll see you on Module 5.